thing to do. I'd really like to thank Glenn and Nancy for coming up and talking about it. I told everybody on Facebook on Lily's wall that I think we're just going to learn something tonight, and I think we did. The other thing is, Glenn and Nancy, of course, like I said, thank you. And Jill's going to give you something here from us as a little appreciation for you taking your time and coming and sharing the information with us. We appreciate it.
We enjoy letting everybody know about the bear.
Well, thank you for what you do for the bear.
Glenn, Nancy, is it okay if we post these filmings on Facebook?
I don't care. It's okay.
Okay, I just wanted an agreement with you.
Well, not
Like I
all
say,
at
I know
once.
you're talking about the bears down at your place, just so they're not looking for your address. That's, you know.
Right, and we don't tell anybody, we just say, even Lynn's research area, we just say between Ely and Tom.
But I think this would be really good education for the people out there.
Yep.